Hola amigos, aquí es el vocabulario nuevo de el medio ambiente. So please make sure you've printed off your vocab sheet first so that you can fill it out or handwrite it on line paper, whatever is best for you. And then as I go through this, pause as often as you need to so you can write things down. And please make sure you repeat after me so you're practicing the pronunciation. So we're talking about the environment and environmental issues and recycling kind of words for this chapter. We are going to split it into two quizzes, but we're going to practice the vocabulary all together for the whole time. Much like what we did with the legend vocabulary, it just makes sense to practice them together. But for you to focus on certain words, we're going to do two quizzes for this. All right, so first words we have, I have to deal with the environment. So we got a tree is el árbol. Fresh air, el aire puro, or clean air. The forest or the woods is el bosque. Nature is la naturaleza. Oil is el petróleo, and this is oil like from the ground. We learned oil before for cooking, that's el aceite, but as far as like oil that we use to run our vehicles and such, that's el petróleo. Natural resources, los recursos naturales. The jungle is la selva. Spider, la araña. Flower, la flor. Insects, los insectos. La mariposa is a butterfly. El serpiente is snake. Conservar, to conserve. Proteger, to protect. Recoger, to pick up. Responsable is responsible. El basurero is a trash can. If you remember, la basura is trash or garbage, and so a trash can is el basurero. Cardboard is el cartón. Consumer, el consumidor. Recycling is el reciclaje, and the action to recycle is reciclar. So this is like I have my recycling box in my room, so that's el reciclaje, excuse me. But if I'm going to recycle something, then I'm going to take the verb reciclar and conjugate it. Hybrid vehicles, los vehículos híbridos. Glass is el vidrio. Fresh water is el agua dulce, which literally means sweet water, but it's fresh water. Ozone layer is la capa de ozono. Contamination or pollution is la contaminación. To damage is dañar. Deforestation, that means like the loss of trees, la deforestación. Destruction is la destrucción. Endangered species, las especies en peligro de extinción. It's a long vocab word, but literally the species in danger of extinction. Forest fires are los incendios forestales. The environment, el medio ambiente. The world, el mundo. Smog is el smog. Volunteer, el voluntario. But the action to volunteer is trabajar de voluntario, to work as a volunteer. And then we have some other vocab words. Barely is apenas. Little by little, poco a poco. Extremely is sumamente. And poverty is la pobreza. So you're going to use these words to help you throughout this week. We're going to spend about 7 days practicing these, and we're going to split them over two quizzes. If you have any questions, let me know. Adios.